Hey, good afternoon from Scott Duckworth, and I've got something I'm going to try. And I try to only put material on the channel that is useful and will save you money. And I'm one of those, I think a lot of you figured it out now. I try to beat those people out of taking my money, especially insurance companies. So, straight to the point, insurance rates are going up like crazy. Homeowners insurance, that's another story. If you looked at my video from way back, maybe 6 or 8 months ago, I predicted an insurance train wreck, and it's came true, especially in the arena of homeowners insurance. So this conversation is going to be about car insurance, auto insurance. So I've been with Progressive for several years. I've got no claims. And I will tell you this, I got a notice the other day. It says, for my motorcycle and my truck, I've got full coverage on both. Your rate dropped $15. Now, I don't know if that's $15 a month or $15 for that 6 months. I'm going to find out and let you know. So I ordered this new device from Progressive. It came in yesterday. And it's called Snapshot. And hold on. Some of you already were rolling your eyes saying, oh, no, I'm not doing that. I'm going to try to get up here where you can see it. The sun is kind of blinding me, so this is what it looks like. This little thingamajig here. Oh, hello. We have a visitor. Hello. It just plugs in right under your dash, right here. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. And what it does, it tracks your driving. Well, hey, here's the thing. People are saying, they're not going to track me. Hey, you're already being tracked anyway. You can turn your cell phone off. You're probably still being tracked anyway. Nothing's private anymore as far as I'm concerned. We can try, but, you know, and this brings a thought. I see people when they have a car for sale, they'll take and they'll scratch through the license plate on the picture. That doesn't do any good. It's all public information. When you drive out there, you're getting photographed how many hundreds of times a day if you're traveling. So anyway, back to what I was saying. This may not be for you. I'm looking to save money on my auto insurance. So what this does, it just plugs into your port on this car here. You can't see it, but it's right there. Okay. You download the app to your phone. And this tracks your driving habits over a course of time. And it actually sends messages to your app on, you know, were you braking too fast? Were you speeding? Were you on the phone? Things like that. And now here's the tricky part. Are you on the phone or is it your passenger on the phone? I'm not clear on that, but I'll find out. And I've read some good things about this thing, and I've read some not so good things. So I'm going to keep you informed, and we're going to track over time, does this save you money on your insurance? I'm guessing for me, I'm hoping it will. I'm not what you consider a speeder. I don't do brake checks, quick, fast braking. I haven't had a ticket in years, knock on wood. So we're going to see. So it's called Progressive Snapshot if you want to research it. And I'm going to actually be reporting to you the results I get from this. Now, I'm not clear if I'll start knowing results in a month or 2 or 3, or if I'll find out at renewal time. That's a few months ahead before I renew my policy again. So I will tell you this, from the research that I've seen so far, things that will be held against you, possibly, I can't say for certain, driving between the hours of 2 and 5 a.m. is considered risky. That's hearsay, I don't know. And there's a whole recipe of things that these insurance companies compile to evaluate you. So, speeding, that's a no-no. We discussed talking on the phone. It knows if you're on the phone or not. So, hey, if you get into an accident and you're on the phone, now here's a word of caution, and it's your fault, this may tell on you. Not saying it will, but if you're a lawbreaker, this may not be for you. Or texting. I don't know, but I will clarify that. I'm trying to think what else they told me. Anyway, that's just off the top of my head. This is very unscripted, so I'm just giving you a brief rundown. So what I'm going to do is, oh, and by the way, this is my wife's Toyota RAV4. This is actually going to be used on my pickup truck. It's a just a Dodge Ram four-wheel drive truck that I drive. So with that, let's see what happens. The Progressive Snapshot. Is it a scam or will it save us money? I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed and hopefully it saves me 10-15%. If I get more, hey, it's a bonus. And I'm gonna be reporting to you the facts on this stuff here. I know I don't like insurance companies, you don't either. It's a necessary evil. So here again, if I can save you a dime, hey, I've done my job. This is Scott Duckworth in South Georgia, and this is all about Progressive Snapshot. I can't tell if I've got it upside down or not because the sun is out here just blinding me, so I will keep you informed. Thank you for tuning in. If you like what you've seen so far, hit the like button or subscribe. It helps the channel. And hey, maybe I can actually even make a buck or two if I can save you a buck or 3 or 4. Thank you again.